Hello YouTube. For today's video, we're gonna do unboxing and review of iPhone 12 Pro Max. I finally got to upgrade from iPhone 8 to iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it was a huge upgrade for me because I was using regular iPhone 8 and this is Pro Max, and definitely the size is pretty big, and I'm kind of excited about this new phone, and the color is pretty cool. It's got this nice slick design. It's a flat-edged stainless design. I don't know if this is a fingerprint free, but it looks like there are some fingerprints. But as far as the size, it's 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. It feels a little bit slippery. Now you can see on the side here, SIM card slot. There's volume up and down, and your silent button there. Now coming to the bottom of the phone, it looks pretty same. Speakers and charging port. This black oval indentation probably is for antenna, 5G antenna. And here's your power on and off button or screen lock button there. I definitely need a phone cover to protect my phone, and probably just since it's a little bit bigger, so I can have some grip on my hand, so that way it doesn't drop from my hand. And here on the box you can see this charging port, and you can also see SIM card pin, so that use to take out the SIM card or insert the SIM card. All you need to do is use this pin and insert it on that hole on the SIM card slot, and it just comes out. For me it's kind of big, I was kind of used to the smaller size iPhone 8 models, but it's going to be interesting how it's going to be hard for me to keep handling this iPhone 12 Pro Max, the bigger size, right? And I really like the camera. It's got this tremendous battery life because of, I think it's a plus, and it's got pretty nice fast performance, right? Although I didn't see much difference versus 12 Pro Max and 12 Pro besides the size. I think if I never used Plus model, I would have gone for 12 Pro, but I wanted to have a little bit of better battery, so that's why I got this 12 Pro Max. Thank you guys for watching this video.